Actually, I want some of your M&Ms. I want a red one.
What is the probability of drawing 1 red M&M out of the bag of 2 red, 3 blue, 4 yellow, 8 green, and 5 orange M&Ms? Event A is to choose a red M&M, which is 2. The number of possible outcomes over the total number of outcomes, which is 2 over 22. The probability of drawing 1 red M&M out of 22 M&Ms is 2 over 22, or 0.09 bar notation, or about 10%.
I want some too. Red, green, and blue. What are the number of ways that we will choose red, green, and blue? Order does not matter. Event A, B, and C is choosing M&Ms. So we plug this into the computer as 22C, 3 equals to 22 factorial over 22 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial, which equals to 22 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 19 over 19 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial, and we cross out the 19 factorials, which leaves us at 22 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 20 over 3 factorial. The number of ways that Michael can draw red, green, and blue M&Ms in any order is 1,540. Buy me some chips.
What kind of chips?
Doesn't matter, any kind.
Probability of Sandra choosing corn chips 4 or spicy chips 2 from the vending machine if Michael did not tell her what type he wanted. Probability A or B equals probability A plus B minus probability A and B. Probability A or B equals number of corn chips over total number of corn chips plus number of spicy chips over total number of spicy chips minus number of corn chips slash spicy chips over total number of chips. Probability A or B equals 4 over 6 plus 2 over 6 minus 1 over 6 equals 5 over 6. The probability of Sandra choosing corn chips on spicy chips is 5 over 6, or 0.84%. 0.84 or 84%.
Thank you.